Hello viewers, this is How Too Fast here. In this video I'll be reviewing this brand new car jump starter battery pack. This one here is made by the company Fanttik and the model is T8 Apex. Now this jump starter outputs a maximum of 2000 amp peak currents and inside is a very large capacity 20,000 milliamp hour battery. This jump starter can jump start a vehicle with a gasoline engine up to 8.5 liter and a diesel engine up to 6 liters. The entire unit is IP65 rated, so it's dustproof and waterproof. Now while reviewing this product, I actually had a chance to use this device to jumpstart my Nissan Pathfinder when I found out the car battery was dead. And I'll show you that later in the video. So let's get right into the review. Let me first show you the unboxing of this brand new Fanttik T8 Apex car jump starter. Now it comes in this very nice carrying case. It has a side zipper opening. And right here is a Fanttik T8 Apex car jump starter. There's a USB-C cable. And there's a USB-C to USB-C cable. Right here is a jumper cable. Cigarette lighter car charger. AC wall charger. User manual. So let me quickly go over some of the spec on this jump starter. The overall length is 9.2 inch by 3.7 inch by 1.83 inch high. This jump starter weighs 2.2 pounds. Inside is a 20,000 milliamp hour 74 watt hour lithium ion rechargeable battery. This jump starter is able to jump start a vehicle with a gasoline engine up to 8.5 liter or a diesel engine up to 6 liters. The working temperature is 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. The charging temperature is 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 113 degrees Fahrenheit. And the storage temperature is minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also IP65 rated, so it's dustproof and waterproof. You can safely use this in the rain. Also, the plastic material they're using on this enclosure is flame retardant. Looking on this side, there are two high power LEDs you can use as a flashlight, SOS light, or strobe light. And the LEDs output 400 lumens. If you open this cover, this is where you connect the jumper cable. On the other side, open up this cover. There are two USB connectors. The left one is a USB-C connector. This can be used as an input or output. If you plug the charger into this USB-C connector, then it'll charge the internal battery. With the AC wall charger, you can fully charge a battery pack in 2 hours. If you use a USB-C connector as an output, you can use it to charge your mobile devices. And this USB-C connector is able to output 5 volt at 3 amp, 9 volt at 3 amp, 12 volt at 3 amp, 15 volt at 3 amp, and 20 volt at 2.25 amp. Next to it is a USB-A connector. There's an output charge port for charging your devices. It's able to output 5 volt at 3 amp, 9 volt at 3 amp, and 12 volt at 1.5 amp. Now over here on the left side, there's a large LCD display that will turn on when I power this on. And to turn it on, press and hold the power switch for a second. And here it will show you the battery charge level. If you want to turn on the flashlight, press the flashlight button on the side here, press it once. The flashlight's on. Press it once more. This SOS. Press it again. This strobe. Press it once more and it will turn off. Now the flashlight will only turn on when you power on the unit. If the unit is off, you cannot turn on the flashlight. To charge a battery pack, you can use the included AC wall charger or the cigarette lighter car charger. Use the included USB cable. Plug one end to a charger. Connect the USB-C connector to a USB-C input port. And then plug this into an outlet. While it's charging, you can see the percentage of charge. Also, the word in will illuminate. That tells you the voltage is going into the unit. As I mentioned, you can use both USB ports to charge two devices simultaneously. So let's take a look at this jumper cable. It's very well built, very nice quality. The alligator clamp has a large opening, so you can clamp this securely on the battery terminal. And looking at the marking on the cable, they used an 8-gauge wire, which is very large in diameter and can carry a lot of current. Now on this end, there's a dust cover. Open this up and you plug this into the jump starter unit. Now the connector is keyed, so you can only plug it in one way. And when you're ready to use it, it's very simple. First, connect these two clamps onto the car battery, then press the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. The LCD status will tell you it's ready for you to start the car. Go into your vehicle and start it up. Once the vehicle is started, go to your battery, disconnect the clamps. Now this jump starter has many safety features built in. It has short circuit protection, so even if I connect these two clamps together, it won't damage anything. Now the unit is powered on already. It also has high temperature protection, reverse polarity protection. With the reverse polarity protection, let's say you accidentally connected the red clamp to the negative terminal and the black clamp to the positive terminal, it will not cause any damage. And all these safety features make this jump starter unit very easy to use. You don't have to worry about sparks or damage to the jump starter or damage to your car battery. With this very nice carrying case, you can put everything back in the case, put this in your trunk, and you can use it whenever you need it. Now I always get asked, after you fully charge it, how long will it hold the charge? In my experience, typically the battery will lose about 15 to 20% after about a year of storage in your car. So it'll still have plenty of power for you to jumpstart your vehicle. What I do recommend is take it out once a year, top off the charge, and then put it back in your vehicle. The battery in my Nissan Pathfinder actually died. I tried starting it this morning and it won't start. Let's try it again. So let's pop the hood, connect the jump starter to the battery, and let's get the car started. Now before I jump the battery, let me show you the voltage on the battery. It's 11.52 volt. Now anything below 12 volt is less than 50% charge. So at this voltage, it's not going to be able to start the car. So here I have the jump starter. I'll connect the negative clamp. Now connect the positive clamp. Now if you look on the LCD display, the word start is illuminated. Also it'll tell you the measured voltage is 12 volt. So let's go in the car and start it up. So let's try it. After the vehicle is started, it measures 14 volt, so that's good. Go ahead and disconnect the clamps. And you can put the jump starter back in the case. So after jump starting the vehicle, I drove the car for a couple of hours, and the car's alternator had a chance to charge the car battery. And let me show you what the voltage is right now. So right now it's measuring 12.83 volt. This is a good healthy voltage. As you can see, having a portable jump starter is very good to have in your vehicle. You never know when you'll have a dead battery, and if you find yourself in that situation where your car battery is dead, you can easily and safely jumpstart your vehicle in a couple of minutes. Now because this is a brand new product, the pre-order price is $110, and right now they're giving a $10 discount, so you can pick this up for $99. I'll include the link to the Fanttik website in the description below. If you're interested, check it out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. To support this channel, remember to click on thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos.